A is the father of B. Okay. B is not the son of A. So what is the relation between A and B?
It's not possible actually.
B. A is the father of B, but B is not the son of A. B must be the daughter of A. Sorry? B must be the daughter of A.
Yeah, so it's the mother of B.
Daughter
You
होगा.
can answer. Sorry?
Daughter हो सकती है.
B is the daughter of A.
That father may be that Christian father or something like that. A is the father
of B.
Okay.
And B is not the son. He is actually the daughter.
Because it's AB.
No. What is B?
So B.
Who is B?
BC.
She can't be mother.
B is the brother. So B is not, B is the daughter of.
Exactly. B is the daughter. An electric train is going at the speed of 100 kilometers per hour.
Yeah.
The wind is blowing in a west direction at 10 kilometers per hour. What will be the direction of smoke that is coming out?
In the wind direction.
110.
East. Direction.
The direction of this smoke.
It will be in west direction.
You're saying west.
Yes.
That doesn't. They can't. Smoke is not.
Exactly, that's the answer. There's no smoke.
Smoke.
Electric train.
Yes, there's no smoke.
Going
Electric train, they don't have smoke.
an electric train.
So there will be no direction because it's an electric train.
Exactly. Electric train
It
doesn't
does not
blow
smoke.
smoke.
Electric train. हाँ तो smoke कहाँ से आएगा?
No, actually, it's an electric train. They don't blow smoke. There's a truck driver. Okay. There's a one-way road, and he's coming in the opposite direction, in the wrong direction. Okay. The cops don't stop him. Why?
Because it's one way. Because he's driving in reverse.
It's one way, so how can one go in wrong direction?
The cops would be standing on the one-way road upstairs. Then why do we go downstairs?
It is a one way.
One
so
way,
how
तो,
can he
हाँ.
come wrong
Back.
side?
Maybe he's feeding the cops.
You mean bribing? No.
He might be a cop.
Driver must be walking.
I think he's just walking, so why would they stop him?
How so? It's like.
I think he's just walking down. He's a truck driver.
Nice one.
Okay.
There are 13 kittens. All but 8 die.
All but 8 die.
Die. So how many are left? How many are alive?
Okay, everyone is left. They are dead there only. Na?
No, think for a second. I think you can answer it.
There are 6.
5.
So 5.
0.
Actually, I said all
All
except
die.
8.
8. 8.
8. That's exactly 8. Except 8 all die.
All die.
In our country, is it legal for a man to marry his widow's sister?
Yes.
Okay, it's legal.
Maybe. I don't know.
Okay, maybe. I don't know. We have 3 answers.
No, he can't. No, how is he supposed to marry his widow sister, man? He's obviously his sister.
No.
Sally, yes.
Yes.
It is.
Marry his widow's sister. His widow's sister.
His widow's sister.
Absolutely.
Okay, you.
It's not possible because the husband's widow, he himself is dead.
The husband is dead.
Widow or nahi, widow. Husband is already dead.
Exactly, he's
Yeah,
dead. That's
dead.
why. That's why
That's
she
why.
is dead. Why?
He is dead. He must be. Yeah, he must be dead.
The person is dead.
What? Sorry, a man? How can that widow? How can? How can the husband of No, widow is actually the wife whose husband is
Exactly.
died.
He can't. Okay, that.